Hello everyone, this is Dr. SainathT, consultant neonatologist and pediatrician from Cloudnine Hospital, Varthur Road branch, Bangalore. Most effective treatment of dehydration in children with gastroenteritis is oral rehydration therapy with oral rehydration solution, that is ORS. ORS comes in a powder form which you can mix in either 1 liter of water or 200 ml of water. ORS usually contains sodium, potassium, fluoride, citrate and glucose. There are other forms in the market such as apple ORS, orange ORS. They are not actual ORS, so they are given to kids who are with fever and other conditions. So ORS, WHO approved ORS is usually advised to a kid with dehydration in gastroenteritis. So any child with gastroenteritis, we advise him to drink ORS as much possible, and each time baby passes loose stools, we tell you to replace 10 ml per kg. That is, if your child weighs 10 kg, give 100 ml of ORS each time. In any kid with some mild dehydration, we advise treatment like 75 ml per kg of ORS to be given in 4 hours and later followed by maintenance therapy. Usually this treatment is effective in more than 95% of the cases. Many children do not like the taste of ORS. In such kids, you can prepare ORS at home only. Take 1 liter of water with 6 teaspoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt with bit lime and can be tried. If your child is not accepting this, also can give coconut water, buttermilk with salt or rice ganji with salt. If they can accept this, you can continue giving. If your infant is breastfeeding, continue breastfeeding. And foods such as idli, dosa, rasam, khichdi can be given, and no oily or spicy foods are recommended. And parents also should know the danger signs when to reach to the hospital, such as see any blood in the stools, or if your baby is vomiting continuously even after giving anti-emetic, or if baby has high grade fever of more than 1 or 2 degree Fahrenheit, or if you notice any fits or seizures in your child, or if baby is too dull or not able to drink or eat anything, or like cold extremities if you notice. So reach to hospital and get medical attention.